All dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am going to teach you about the representation of states today. So, point number first, the state symbol N is equal to into bracket 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma dot and so on bracket over. This is called the set of natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 and continue infinite because there is no limit of all natural numbers, set of all natural numbers. So, this is called the set of natural numbers. Number second, the set symbol W is equal to into bracket 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, and so on, bracket over. This is called the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers starts from 0 and 1, 2, 3, and so on, that all are positive numbers. Number third point, the set symbol Z is equal to into bracket 0, comma plus minus 1, comma plus minus 2, comma plus minus 3, comma dot, and so on, bracket over. This is called the set of integers. The set of integers contains 0 and 1, 2, 3, and so on, positive and negative both numbers. So this is called the set of integers. Number 4, the set symbol E is equal to 0, comma plus minus 2, comma plus minus 4, comma plus minus 6, so and so on. So this is called the set of even numbers. The set of even numbers starts from 0 and all even numbers then 2, 4, 6, they both positive and negative. This is the set of even numbers. Now, point number 5, the set symbol O is equal to into bracket plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, and so on. This is called the set of odd numbers. The set of odd numbers starts from 1, both plus and minus, and 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on, but all plus and minus. So this is the set of odd numbers. Number 6, P is equal to into bracket 2, comma 3, comma 5, comma 7, and so on, bracket over. This is called the set of prime numbers. There is two only even number in the set of prime numbers, and all others are odd, and 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and so on. So this is called the set of prime numbers. Number 7. The set symbol Q is equal to into bracket X such that X is equal to P upon Q. P comma Q belongs to set of integers and Q is not equal to 0. Bracket over. So this is called the set of rational numbers. The set of rational numbers does not write in the tabular form. It only writes in set builder form. So this is the set of rational number. Number 8, Q complementary is equal to into bracket X such that X does not belong to P upon Q. P comma Q belongs to set of integers and Q is not equal to 0. This set is called the set of irrational numbers, and that set also does not write in a tabular form. It can only write in set builder form. So this is the set of irrational numbers. Now number 9, the set R is equal to into bracket x such that x is equal to P upon Q, or x is not equal to P upon Q. P comma Q belong to set of integers and Q is not equal to 0. It means it contains both rational and irrational number. It also can write in the form R is equal to Q union Q complementary, or set of rational numbers union set of irrational numbers. This is the set of real numbers. Okay.